Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by shutting the water off and relieving pressure. This prevents surprises. Remove any decorative cap and locate the set screw, often hidden under the cap or behind the handle. Use the correct 1/16 to 1/8. Once the handle and retaining nut are off, you can extract the cartridge or valve stem. Keep parts in order for reassembly. Check O-rings and seals. Stiff or flattened rubber causes spinning. Clean mineral deposits with vinegar and a brush so new seals seat properly. If the cartridge is cracked or the retaining clip is damaged, replace it. Cheap parts can save repeated work. Make sure moving surfaces are lubricated with plumber-grade grease, so components engage smoothly. You now reassemble in reverse order, making sure seals sit straight and the cartridge aligns with indexing tabs. Snug the bonnet nut without over-torquing. Restore water slowly and observe handle engagement and leakage points. Operate the handle through its full range to confirm the fix. If the handle still spins, inspect the set screw/retaining clip and replace the trim or handle if stripped. Troubleshooting tip: if parts keep failing, the valve body may be worn. Replace the valve cartridge to resolve persistent spinning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.